Tréis anna chorach do chum luútas gaia chunta Corcaigh le cúpla míon nós agus ní tarthaí na parc na imirthe tréis leas dóchas de hartómh ach an irid lena bhór na pelagus an máíochta ag bun na sraithe gan éon feinte go dtí seo. An éireocht le Pat Ryan de bhóscad an deir seat na beag seo agus ardú manama harta lucht leúna. Nún éireocht le Port Láirge iad a bhóla le bulamar cheile. Bhí Brian Tyres agus Donal Grady is super value Parky Cleves and count shop.
Consistency performance, consistency of effort across the 70 minutes, and that's what we're looking for more lads today.
Come on the va and against it again, Jack O'Connor on the feet to Lord the Park. Jack Pendergast could have get down the Idir chef score. Monamach at the end of on the score.
No point having 36 in the panel unless you're going to give them games. Like and coming down here today, short the guys were short. It's certainly going to test what we have.
Donna Cousins again. Agus well on the Cork, come on and Derry here again, Conor Ryan.
Waterford playing with that spare man. It's to work out extra hard really to find those pockets, and I suppose eventually throughout the game they come up, so gladly I found them today.
Look, our fellas worked way harder in the second half. We hunted them down, we turned them over, and that created us our momentum in the game.
I just saw the space open up really, and I just said I'd run through, and I probably took a pot shot really. I was probably lucky he went in and bounced over the keeper's early, like, so some days you just get lucky really and some days you don't.
We left Waterford come back into the game, we lost a bit of shape. Probably took our foot off the pedal, but in fairness, look, Waterford came back at us, they got their running game going.
Like when we're winning by that much, you want to be kind of pushing on and just trying to beat the team by more.
We have a lot of players to come back, we have a few lads to come back as well, and look, we're all building for the 21st of April below in Waterford.